Welcome back, everybody. Wednesday, April 8th. We're on spring break. It's day 12. That's page 19 and 20. Now, if you look at page 19 and 20, you're going to say, it's just a bunch of formulas. Absolutely. My goal is for you to watch 2 videos today and 2 videos next Monday that discuss volume, shapes, and how do we actually find volume of non-traditional shapes. Okay? So the first video you're going to watch today is about a sphere. Okay? Something round, right? How do we find the volume of something round? Well, volume is just length times width times height, but this is a non-traditional length times width times height. You're in a perfect position to do this now because the school closure happened after Pi Day. So it's just a matter of using pi. All right? Before we go any further though, I had a guest reach out to us. Unfortunately, she can't be here today, but I wanted to do a shout out to a famous teacher from Shoutout Park. Okay? So remember, we got our little siren guy here, right? And Miss Joann Tripp. Now, Miss Joann Tripp was an exciting teacher. She taught for years at Shoutout Park. Now, picture the classroom. You guys are walking in, you go to sign in. That rolling cart that's in our classroom, her husband, Greg, actually made that cart for us. All right? And when she retired, she left the cart. I inherited it. I was so lucky. And many of the props that you're seeing during these videos are actually Joann Tripp's. Her name is actually on some of these items. So I want to do a special shout out today. Okay? Shout out to Miss Joann Tripp. She was a dedicated teacher for years and years and years. And because of her groundwork that she laid, so many of these videos and these props go out to her. Thank you, Miss Tripp. All right, so back to today's lesson. A sphere. Watch the video. I love the way Salman Khan and the Khan Academy actually goes through building the sphere and calculating it, right? Volume is nothing more than 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, and he explains how to get that. Okay, so here's our sphere. Then you're going to go to the next video and it talks about other shapes, right? What does it mean to calculate the volume of a cylinder, right? And I love the way Salman Khan builds that because he explains that all a cylinder is a circle. Well, we already know the area of a circle, pi r squared, and you stack them up. Stack them up. So the area of a circle, and how many of them does it take, right? The volume is pi r squared h. Just stack them up. Circles stacked up, okay? So the first 2 videos, just take notes on your sheet, okay? And then you're done for the day. What's our goal? My goal for you next week is to understand volume of non-traditional shapes, right? Remember some of the stuff in the recycle bin? A Lysol container. Oh my gosh. Now, virtually, we're going to have to try to figure out how to do this lesson. The reason I have all these birdhouses out is because actually, in the month of April, I give everybody a birdhouse, and I ask you to calculate the volume. What's the volume of a non-traditional shape? So, this is one that we use in the classroom. What's the volume of the triangle? What's the volume of the actual birdhouse? And then, 2 weeks from now, we need to figure out surface area. Remember the nets, how we unfold it? So we've got surface area, we've got our volume, and the reason I included area is because once you know area, it's easy. How many areas do you have when you stack them up? Okay, so somehow we got to do this one. What does it mean if you have a circle, right? You end up with the ice cream cone. Okay, so 2 videos to watch today. We're done for the week. It's spring break. Tomorrow I wrote journal day. What does it mean, journal day? When I see you tomorrow, I'm going to kind of go in a different direction so that we have journal. What are we journaling about? Friday, what did you binge watch this week? Saturday, remember, that's going to be our theme day, our inspiration day. What has inspired you? Okay, so take some notes today, a couple of videos to watch, reach out. Yes, the governor has stepped in and talked about schools are closed for the rest of the school year. We're waiting to hear what that actually means, but rest assured, Monty probably has another set of 2020 for the month of May. We'll just continue what we're doing. Maybe we'll have to look into a Zoom meeting together. Until tomorrow, have a great Wednesday. Temperature's warming up. It's going to be a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.